Okay, we're here with Jordan Cohan. Jordan is a dual enrollment student from Barron Collier. Jordan, you have a project that is pretty complex. Tell me what it is and why you chose it first.
So my teacher brought up the idea of microplastics to me, and I had little knowledge what microplastics were. I figured they were small plastics, but I didn't really know the extent to what they looked like or what they felt like. So we went to several beaches in Marco Island and in Naples, and we collected samples along the raft line, which is where the ocean meets the shore and a bunch of debris washes up. And we placed transects, which were square tubes about like 3 by 3 feet, and scooped sand. And then from there, I sifted sand and found small pieces of microplastics. It was really interesting because you couldn't really see them with your naked eye. You had to put them under microscopes, and they were pretty intricate, and it was just very interesting to see things that you can't just see normally.
The average person going to the beach wouldn't notice this.
Yeah.
You did the project. You're obviously presenting it here today at the Research Expo. Talk to me about the experience. Like, you came obviously to be dual enrolled to get a different kind of experience. What did you get?
Well, it was super eye-opening because it was the first project that I really did hands-on. I spent about 12 hours throughout 2 days collecting these samples, and it was just the first project that I worked with a professional, Professor Emily Porter, and I brought my samples back to an actual lab, which I never got the experience to do before, so that was really interesting. And it showed me how much we need to be aware of how plastics really impact our environment and how we need to cut down the use of single-use plastics.
What would you say to other students who are considering coming to FSW who may not know that this opportunity is available to them?
I would tell them just to really open their eyes because there's so many opportunities available at FSW that I didn't get in the other schools that I was enrolled at. FSW really tries its hardest to work with their students and give them every opportunity they can, no matter the cost or what time or what place it is.
And you have a very different relationship with your professors. Mm-hmm. I mean, you've spent a lot of time with
yes,
Emily.
I've grown really close with my professors because I've worked a lot with them throughout times where I wouldn't be in school normally. I've worked off scenes. I worked really late at night and really early in the morning. So I just grew really close with my professors.
So overall, great experience.
Yes.